What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI Pay Wage or Salary on Demand program launched by BPI. So pag-uusapan natin guys kung ano nga ba yung BPI Pay Wage or yung Salary on Demand na sinasabi, and then of course pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits, and then paano nga ba ito gumagana, and of course paano nga ba set up yung BPI Pay Wage or Salary on Demand para maka-avail kayo ng salary ninyo. And of course, yung frequently asked questions or yung kadalasang tanong about BPI Pay Wage or BPI Salary on Demand program ni BPI. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ayan, the PayWage app is the official platform for BPI Salary on Demand, a service that lets employee access their earned salary before payday. So, salary before payday. So, ibig sabihin guys, pwede nyong i-advance yung sahod niyo kasi not all the time, di ba? May mga times na kakailanganan natin yung sahod natin agad-agad. So, itong BPI Pay Wage or Salary on Demand, nilaunch ni BPI para ma-access ninyo ng mas maaga yung sahod ninyo. Then, of course, may certain amount lang yun na pwede kayong ma-access. At mamaya malalaman nyo pa yun. Just keep on watching, guys. So, how does BPI Salary on Demand work? So, paano nga ba gumagana yung Salary on Demand or BPI Pay Wage? Una is yung employees can use the PayWage app to withdraw a portion of their salary. So, ibig sabihin, PayWage app, meaning may application siya. Mamaya, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-set up ng BPI PayWage application. So, the withdrawn amount is automatically deducted from the employee's payroll account on the next payday. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag magkano yung in-avail ninyong Salary on Demand or BPI sa BPI PayWage app, automatic siya i-deduct. Wala kayong magagawa kasi naka-agree kayo sa terms and conditions ni BPI Pay Wage or Salary on Demand. BPI Salary on Demand is interest-free o interest-free. Ibig sabihin, wala kayong babayarang interest. Hindi tumutubo, hindi nagkakaroon ng dagdag or patong yung in-avail ninyong pera. But there is a minimal transaction fee for each withdrawal. So, yun lang, may minimal. So, minimal, hindi naman ganun kalakihan. Ibig sabihin, siguro affordable per transaction, of course. Then, how can you use BPI Salary on Demand? So, sino yung mga pwedeng gumamit nito? Only employees of companies that are BPI payroll clients can use BPI Salary on Demand. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga empleyado na yung payroll nila or yung ATM nila is via BPI. So, ibig sabihin, client lang dapat ni BPI yung company na pinagtatrabahuan ninyo. So, yung mga sa ibang banks, of course, hindi pwede. To find out if your company offers BPI Salary on Demand, you can contact your Human Resource Department. So, if gusto nyo malaman, syempre kapag hindi kayo naka-BPI, sure na yun na hindi kayo qualified for Salary on Demand ni BPI. Pero kung naka-BPI kayo, may chance na kasama kayo sa pwede kayo makapag-avail ng BPI Salary on Demand or BPI Pay Wage. Ngayon, let's talk about benefits of BPI Salary on Demand. Employees can access their earned salary in advance to meet immediate financial needs. So, of course, minsan kasi may mga pangangailangan tayo na hindi natin inaasahan. So, using Salary on Demand or BPI Pay Wage application, pwede natin ma-access agad-agad yung sahod natin kahit hindi pa sahod day or pay day. Employees no longer need to wait for their scheduled pay day to access their income. Tulad ng sabi ko, ma-advance ninyo makukuha yung sahod ninyo. Pero alam nyo dapat na on the next sahod, kapag nag-avail kayo, may bawas yung sasahurin ninyo. Ganun yung consequences nyon. BPI Salary on Demand is a perk that can help employees in unexpected situations. So, sa mga unexpected situations, like for example, talagang nawalan kayo ng pera, as in, so wala kayong so pwede nyo ma-access sa application para makakuha kayo agad-agad ng cash on time. Salary on Demand, an employee perk that allows you to instantly access a portion of your earned salary before payday and when you need it most. Tulad ng sabi ko, easy, access your earned salary 24/7 with just a few taps. So, ibig sabihin, kunting taps lang, kunting touch lang, makukuha nyo na agad yung kailangan nyong pera. Fast, receive funds in less than a minute. So, ibig sabihin, pagka-process, pagka-apply ninyo, hindi maglalagpas 1 minuto, makikredit na agad sa account ninyo. So ngayon, ito yung quick guide guys kung paano i-set up yung BPI Salary on Demand or BPI Paywage applications. 3 easy steps lang siya. Ito yung quick guide guys kung paano nga ba i-set up yung BPI Salary on Demand or BPI Paywage app. Una is yung download the Paywage app on Google Play Store or App Store. May application sa guys, so kailangan nyo i-search sa Apple Store or sa Google Play Store yung Paywage app under ni BPI. Sign up with your email address, set up a password, and complete your personal information. Then next is only those enrolled in the service can sign up. Check your email for a welcome letter. So, ibig sabihin, tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, kapag hindi kayo under ni BPI, yung payroll ninyo, hindi kayo makaka-avail syempre. Pangatlo is enter your username and password in the BPI mobile app. So, kailangan may username and password kayo guys sa BPI mobile application. So, if you are not yet enrolled in BPI mobile app, you can enroll na as soon as possible para ma-qualify kayo or para ma-set up ninyo ng maayos yung BPI Paywage application. So ngayon, let's move on to frequently asked questions para sa mga kadalasang tanong about BPI Paywage app or BPI Salary on Demand. Una is, how do I know if I can avail of this feature? If your company is a BPI payroll client, contact your human resource department to find out if this product is available. If your company is interested, please reach out to us via email at salaryondemand@bpi.com.ph to get started. So kapag BPI yung payroll ninyo, malaki yung chance na pwede kayong makapag-avail ng salary on demand ni BPI program. How are my available earnings calculated? Your available earnings are calculated based on your estimated total earnings, multiplied by the percentage allowed to withdraw, less the amount that has already been withdrawn. Paano nga ba siya i-calculate? So may percentage lang kasi na pwede nyo ma-withdraw sa salary on demand, then i-multiply yung magkano yung basic pay ninyo, so yun lang yung makukuha ninyo. Halimbawa, 15,000. So kung halimbawa, 50% yung pwedeng ma-withdraw, so ibig sabihin sa 15,000, 7,500 yung pwede nyong ma-advance sa sahod ninyo. When will be the availment I made be deducted from my paycheck? So, BPI will automatically deduct the availed amount from your BPI payroll account on the next payday through the automatic debit arrangement. So, ibig sabihin guys, naka-auto debit arrangement siya. When we say auto debit arrangement guys, automatic siya nagdededuct kasi automatic nga siya. How frequently can I avail? So gaano nga ba kadalas pwede mong i-avail yung BPI Paywage or Salary on Demand? There is no limit on the number of times that you can avail as long as it is within the withdrawable amount shown on your Paywage app screen. So ibig sabihin, pag nakita na niya kung magkano yung sinasahod ninyo, pag na-calculate na yung percentage na pwede nyo maano, so halimbawa, meron pa doon, pwede pa rin kayo maka-avail anytime. Para siyang credit limit. Pero salary nyo yung kabayaran doon. So, ganun lang guys. So, dapat aware din kayo guys kung magkano yung sinasahod nyo para hindi kayo magulat. Bakit ganito lang? Bakit ganyan lang? Dapat alamin ninyo yung percentage na pwede nyong i-avail sa BPI Salary on Demand or BPI Paywage para hindi kayo masaktan kasi hindi kayo umexpect ng mas malaki. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!